Everything is easier when you choose the right furniture for your place. Itbe Easy Fit is like that. Simplicity that fits your lifestyle and ready to assemble. Style and functionality together with a cool design. Compact solutions that have many possibilities. Change your days with Itbe Easy Fit. Go to itbehome.com and check out our products in augmented reality and rethink your spaces. Itbe.
Itbe Easy Fit ready to assemble multi-purpose wall-mounted floating steel open niche cabinet, black. About this item. 11.22-inch L x 13.77 W x 12.59 H, maximum distributed weight supported, 26 pounds, the perfect size for your home while keeping your belongings closer to you. The wall-mounted floating steel open niche cabinet in black or white is the perfect choice for you. Made of steel, for durable day-to-day use. Ideal for creating that much-needed extra space in your home, suiting any environment that you want. Itbe Easy Fit floating open niche. Practicality that goes beyond installation, its simple style was made to make your day easier. The symmetrical structures can be combined with other Itbe units to shape new designs. Itbe Easy Fit floating open niche is a hybrid, multifunctional piece of furniture, becoming even more flexible and adaptable. Designed to be practical from start to finish, thanks to its simple installation and assembly system. Itbe Easy Fit ready to assemble multi-purpose wall-mounted floating steel open niche cabinet. Made with efficient design and built to last, with electrostatic powder coating. In addition to being more stylish, doesn't scratch or peel, and protects the product against rust. Colors: black and gray, white, blue, orange.